Here we have a 1968 Mercury Cougar. It's XR7 package with the 6.5 liter engine, basically the 390 motor, special package FE. So you don't see many of these anymore. This is a single family owned vehicle ordered from the factory with all the options. You don't see anything like this too often. It's a survivor, we call it. Currently has what's left of the original exhaust system on there. Come factory with dual exhaust. You can see it's kind of falling apart here. Would have come out just turned down just like that, nothing fancy. Trying to get it back on the road here, but we're gonna use the factory H-pipe. Believe it or not, it's in good shape. Even it looks a little rusty, it's still really solid. So we're gonna come right off the factory H-pipe. We're gonna put some Magnaflows on it instead of the factory style mufflers, give it a little more sound. But just kind of give you an idea what things look like before. We call it unmolested, a survivor. We're gonna change it up a little bit here. Well, as you tell, it looks a little different now. We've got the dual exhaust installed. Nice clean look coming out the back. Some stainless steel pencil tips, we call them. All tucked up nice and tight over the axle, fits like a glove. There's the Magnaflow wide open mufflers on there. Left the factory H-pipe, believe it or not, still good and working after all these years. 1968, that's original pipe. So it should give it a little bit of tone. It does have a little bit of exhaust leak, so you're going to hear that a little bit in the video, but we're going to get that taken care of here soon. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, nice and clean back here. Nice and smooth. You just hear that little exhaust leak on the manifold, but we'll get that taken care of here soon. Got that old school low rumble to it. Sounds good.